Hey, starting a job. Looking for a great career? New to corporate world. Fresher. Looking for a great start. Confused about attires? Inconfident to start a conversation. Wanna improve your communication skills? So you are at the right place. Hello, I'm Survi from Focus Freak. On this channel, you will find solution to all your problems in your professional life. How to start a job, how to get a great career, how to get good impression at workplace, how to get ready for your first day, what to do at your workplace, what not to do, how to start a conversation, and how to improve your communication skills and much more. What are the problems that you are facing at your career growth? Tell me in the comments below. And to be the first to watch my videos, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and don't forget to like and share.